Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. This is another Ninja Woodfire video and we're going to cook a pork shoulder. Okay, so the sun is shining, which means we can eat outside again on another weekend in June. So this time we're going to do something brand new on the Woodfire, Ninja Woodfire. I'm going to cook off this pork shoulder. So it's a boneless shoulder joint from Tesco. Ideally, I would cook it with the bone in, but Tesco didn't have it. So we're going to go with this. So the plan is, I'll open this up, kind of pat it down to dry it off all the juices that are sat on there now. I need to create some more rub because I've run out of my seasoning, my rub. So I'll create a new rub using sugar and some spices and herbs, etc. I'll cut into the fat on top of this pork. We'll cook it with the fat, but obviously remove the fat after. But we'll cut into it so the seasoning gets into the pork shoulder. So we'll cut into it, cover it in the seasoning. I'm going to smoke it first in the wood fire. So we'll smoke it for probably just one round of smoke. So about an hour, probably about 120, just to get that smoke into it to start with the seasoning on there. We'll then take it off the smoke and I'll wrap it in some foil, similar to what we did with the brisket. So I'll put a link up here to the brisket video. So we'll do that, wrap it in the foil, put some barbecue sauce, some apple juice, some butter, wrap it all up and pop it back on the wood fire, probably for about 2 hours at around 150 degrees Celsius. That's the kind of plan, but once we're cooking, I'll probably bring it up to temperature just for pork, which I need to check what it is, but I'll put on this video somewhere what temperature I'm aiming for. So yeah, let's get it open, let's get it patted down and dried and put some seasoning on it. All seasoned up, ready to go. I've had to cut part of the shoulder joint off because that was pure fat there. Ended up with these two nice little bits. There's so much meat here, it's unbelievable. There is the fat cap on top, so obviously we will cook it with the fat on for the juices and stuff. But when we do eat it, I will remove that fat from there. So onto the wood fire now to smoke it for about an hour. So set to smoker, 120 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. So we'll put the pellets in and get it on. Using these hickory wood pellets, been really good so far from Extreme Barbecue. Loaded up, ready to go. Okay, I've been smoking for an hour now, so we're taking it out, wrapped it in the foil, or going to wrap it in the foil. I'm going to put this barbecue sauce on, this Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, new one I bought yesterday, with some butter underneath that as well, some apple juice, barbecue sauce, apple juice, butter, and that's about it. I think that will do it. Cook it for about 2 hours and then we'll take it out, let it rest for about an hour and get it eaten. All layers of foil just so it doesn't leak. Want to keep all that barbecue sauce, apple juice, butter in there. Put it in this little tray as well, so if any juices do come out, they kind of sit in that tray. So we'll go stick it on the wood fire now, a couple of hours at 150. Okay, we're set to bake 150, 2 hours. Out now, rest it for 1 hour, and hopefully they'll go all beautiful and pulled and porky. Got some chips and sweet potato wedges we're going to chuck on air fryer as well. Okay, the pork's done. It's absolutely beautiful. Nice bit of spice with that chili powder and cayenne pepper. Hopefully kids don't moan, but they probably will. But it's looking really good. I took the fat off the top. I'm going to try and put that in the air fryer on max crisp outside in the air fryer and see if we can get that crackled up. It might not do. Might be too much skin on it, but we'll give it a go and see what happens. But we'll load up the burgers, and I'll get a couple of videos of the burgers. Okay, so it's the day after the pork shoulder cook. Really love that one. Probably one of the best things we've made on the Ninja Woodfire so far. Really, really good, really tasty. That new rub I put on with a little bit of chili powder and the cayenne pepper in there really made a difference. Give it a little bit of extra spice. Not too much spice though, because obviously we've got the kids, so we didn't want to blow their heads off. But really good. I probably would say I probably overcooked it a little bit. I think, slightly. But I'm really conscious with pork, and any meat to be honest with you. Scared of undercooking it. I could have probably maybe gone a lower temperature for the same amount of time, or maybe brought the time down a little bit. It wasn't terrible, it still pulled eventually, and it was really, really nice. Maybe just a little bit overdone. Obviously tons of sauce in there, which obviously kept it really moist in the burger. So it worked really well in that burger, obviously with the coleslaw, a little bit of cheese, and then burger buns were really nice. So yeah, overall, really great cook, and I think so far, like I say, I think that's my favourite, and certainly the family's favourite cook we've done on the Ninja Woodfire so far. Okay, so hopefully you liked this video. If so, if you have, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let me know in the comments what you didn't like about the video. Any questions or any other comments, obviously put them in the comments section, and I will get back to all questions and comments. If you'd like to follow this Ninja Woodfire journey along, or any of our other DIY project videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.